Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is for those who have family history or temple callings. I think more or less those who have the calling that's called a family history consultant or something like that. I know I have the calling title and I don't know what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's a family history consultant or like a family history and temple consultant or something like that. Or I guess if you have the stake version of that, not just the word, so it's like the stake family history consultant or family history and temple consultant. But anyway, if you have the family history or temple calling, there is training for this calling. And instead of getting like a book or a pamphlet to learn how to do your calling, you actually come here to Family Search. So you come to Family Search, you make an account or you log into your account and you come here to the home page, and your home page will look different than anybody else's. I'll put a clip in right now of what a home page would normally look like if you're not a family history consultant. It'll look something like this. And if you're a family history consultant, yours will look like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you're a family history consultant. It looks a little bit different. As you can see, you're going to have two new things here in the main little activity section here. I call this my activity box because I feel like that's what it is. It's a bunch of activities. So like, here's how you do your calling. Oh, here's celebrate your ancestors' events, an infograph, or whatever they have here, because it constantly is changing. But generally you'll have these two, the temple and family history training and leadership instruction. And then over here on the side in your recommended task, it will have understand your calling. And then you can get started and ignore it. So these main three are what we're going to look at because that's how you learn about your calling and how to do it and get motivation. So yeah. So I guess we'll start with this one because I already talked about it. So the first one is your Temple and Family History Leadership Instruction for 2019. You just click watch. I'm going to open it on a new tab. And if you click watch, it should bring you up to this page. And it says 2019 Temple and Family History Leadership Instruction. And then it will have more videos and then some more helpful resources. And you can just click on the video and watch the video. So yeah, there's just the four, and then down here below is the helpful resources. And if you click on that, it'll take you to here, which we'll get to in just a minute. So I'm going to close that. And now we're here back to the main page of Family Search. We're going to go next, and we're going to look at this section. So Temple and Family History Training Presentation. Once again, you just click on that and it will open up a new page. I'm going to open it up on a new tab. If you click on it, it should bring you to this page. And once again, it's just going to have some videos. If you click on the one on your left, it'll just bring you back to the original 4 videos. If you click the one on the right, it will have the video from the Family Discovery Day at Roots Tech. So if you went to Roots Tech and you went to the Family Discovery Day, you won't have to click on this. But if you missed that, then you can click on this and see the cute little video that David Bednar and his wife did about family history work. So there's those two. So here we are back at the home page of Family Search. So we're going to do the one here in the recommend task. You can either click ignore or get started. I'm going to click get started to show you guys what it looks like. And it's going to pull up a new tab and it's going to say welcome to your calling. You probably saw that earlier that we came to this page when we hit the more helpful resources down at the bottom of the videos. It brought us up to this page, and then you can go welcome to your calling. Yeah, my Temple and Family History calling. See, I told you it's. And then you just read all this, scroll through, watch the video, and then you can go down here and click on the next section, and read the next section, or you can come over here to the side at the top and go next section, next, next. And you just watch the videos and read through to find and learn more about your calling. If there is anything here in blue, the text is in blue instead of black, that's actually something you can click on to learn more. So newly called stake, temple, and family history consultants. Click on that, and then it takes you to this section where you learn how to do, where you can look at some of the things for your calling. So if you're a stake and temple consultant, you come here and you learn about other members who are stake consultants, I'm guessing, or family history consultants for the ward. I have no idea. I've never played in this section. I'm surprised it even allowed me in this section because I'm a ward, not a stake family history temple consultant. Okay, let's go back. I feel like I'm doing something naughty. Okay, so if you're a ward, let's do newly called ward family history consultant, because that's what I am. It brings you up to a similar page. What the heck? I've never seen this before. This is so cool. Okay, well then I guess you play around here and you learn about new things. Right here it's showing me members. Then over here, which, sorry for the blurs, you have to keep people's lives private. And over here it's telling me files, which is more education about my calling, so like ancestry being synced to family search, leadership instruction plans, and then over here is a description about my calling, invite people to join. It should. And then more instructions, inspiration, learn about your calling, helpful resources, root text. And so I can go to these links and watch those and learn more about my calling. And then it looks like up here there's some new tabs. So like you can go to home and you can ask some questions or go to some groups to get ideas about family search or how things work. My feed currently lets you know about recent activities, bookmarks, just goals that apparently you have or you are working on with your ward. Questions leads you to, a question section. It looks like pretty much your typical message board. Then groups is once again probably some groups, some family history research into XChat, feedback, suggestions, and community help, and then other questions if you have anything about like wanting to know how to do Australian or Asian or British Isles family history work, which yes, all of that is very different. If you have a different ethnicity background, they vary on how you do family history work, because you have to deal with traditions that people lived and had throughout ages. So kind of cool that you can get education right there. So yeah, that's this. I've never seen this before. I'm just looking at this right now, so I'm sorry if it's not in depth as you would like. I just learned about this. So let's close out of this. But anyway, if you find any of these other blue little texts, you can click on them and learn about more information about your calling. There's tons and tons and tons of these little blue things and tons of these other pages, so that no matter what, if you're very new to family history work or you're an expert, you still have things to learn, or you can still have places to go to get inspiration. And this section is constantly always changing. This calling is constantly always changing, and people are coming up with new ideas, or family search is being changed, getting updated. So how your calling was 6 months ago is not how it's going to be today, or how your calling was a couple of years ago is not going to be how it is in 2 years in the future. So it's good to always come to these pages and get refreshers on what's new on family search or how to do your calling and get inspiration, because it's constantly changing. We're constantly getting new information. We're constantly learning how to do better at doing family history work and how to help others. So it's just great to come and get some help and some new training or ideas every so often. So I recommend coming back to these sections and reviewing them every so often. I know I need to go through and learn more because I didn't even know about these new sections. So apparently I need to pay more attention. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was super helpful and informative, especially for those of you who are new to being family history consultants. I hope you guys enjoy your calling and that you guys learn how to do it and you embrace this new calling that you have, because it's a great calling. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. At least for me, it's a lot of fun, but I love doing family history work. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye.